up, Soul Squad? What's up to my new subscribers? I've been reading those comments, have new subscribers, guys. Let's welcome them. Welcome them. Oh my God. Let's welcome to my channel. Let's welcome them to my channel. Hello, you welcome to my channel. Oh my God. We use this as a, what's the things that they use? You do takes and come back or whatever, you messed up. Can you use this as an outtake or something? Oh my God. Okay, guys, beef and broccoli. Told you this wok is going to bring some good things. And I have this wok on. Let's go check out the meat. I tenderize my stir-fried meat here. You use flank steaks or stir-fried steak. They're already cut nice and small. And so basically what I did is I tenderized and marinated them for like 3 hours. But you don't have to do 3 hours. You can do an hour. And I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description below on what I marinated it in and all that stuff. Going in with a little bit of oil. And we're going to cook these steaks. I'm not going to try to overcrowd my pan. So I want to get them nice and brown. And I have a lot of steak to cook here. It's Thursday night and the kids having this for dinner. Why call takeout when you can do it yourself? And if you don't have a wok, you can still do this in a frying pan or a stove. Or you don't have to have an electric wok. You have a regular wok. I'm just having fun with my new kitchen toy. And ooh, it smells good. You can smell the sesame seed oil. That's something that I marinated it in, guys. And I have it like on 350. Maybe I should turn it up just a little. I'm blind, I can't see. Yeah, and just let it cook. As you can tell, I got a lot of steak to cook here. We're going to cook this steak, come back, show you the end result. But look at it. I don't want to use this because I don't want to scrape up my pan. But, yeah. And you want to marinate the meat because you want your meat to be tender. So that's why I did it. I knew I was making this. I was just laying around the house. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and marinate these steaks. So I want them to bite it. I want the steak to melt in their mouth. And look how it's cooking. This wok is amazing. I am loving this. Oh my God. So, these are almost done, as you can tell, and we're popping all over the place because I turned it up high, but I'm going to turn it back down. Most definitely cook the rest of the steak and we'll be back. Okay, guys, my steak is done. And I have to let you know, you don't have to season this. The sauce is going to give it all the flavor. Marinate it. It's going to be in the description below. That's done. Okay, so with that being said, I have my liquid part of my sauce already in my bowl. I'll tell you guys what it is. It's just basically soy sauce, brown sugar, water, and sesame seed oil. No, not sesame seed oil. Soy sauce. Let me look in. I don't know. It's gonna be in the description below. Dig it. I know it's soy sauce and water and something else in here. I forgot what I put in there. I ain't got no memory of nothing. I got this on 220. Got it cooking slow because I want to let it get thick. Now my sesame seed oil. That's what that is. My brown sugar. You always need something sweet, right? It just makes it taste better. And this is my cornstarch, just to thicken it up. It's irritating me. I don't know what these oils are. And I put it in here. It really is. It's irritating me that I really can't remember what it is. I know it's water. I know it's soy sauce, but I don't want to look in the cabinet. Let me look real quick. Y'all ain't got to go with me. I'm just going to see because soy sauce, I don't know. But I remember when I put the recipe down. That is so crazy. So this is down low. You want it to be low because the cornstarch is going to give it its thickening agent. And it's way better than flour. It's not lumpy. It smooths out better than flour. So, got my wok rack on 220. This has got to get thick. And I'll bring you back once it gets thick. I blanched some fresh broccoli. Chilled it down with cold water to stop the cooking process. Once this gets thick, we're just going to put it all together in the wok. This takes at least about a good 5 to 7 minutes to get thick. So, and it's starting to get thick already. Look at that. And it smells good. This is going to have so much flavor. Look, it's starting to get thick already. Doesn't take long. And it's down on low. It's already, look at it. That look good. But I have it together by the time we ready to make the video. Because I'm just trying to figure out. It baffles the mind. I did it myself. And I can't remember what my liquid said. What that say about me at 49 and you can't remember nothing? Jesus. I think each child I had took a piece of my brain, my memory. But look how thick that is. And let me just taste the sauce because it may need a little bit more sugar. Yeah. Oh, but that sauce is wonderful. I'll put in maybe another tablespoon of sugar, and we'll be right back. I'm back. Let's see what this doing. Is it doing anything? Did it cut off? Yeah. I did hear the sizzle at first. There it goes. Make some rice. Make some noodles. I meant whatever your family loves. This looks so amazing. I made rice, and they're going to eat good tonight on a Thursday. Guys, you cannot go wrong with that. My beef and broccoli, my way. Remember, you are the master of your kitchen. It's your kitchen. Do what you do. Until next time, guys. Oh, in the description below, the link is there to my Vision Board Conference. It's coming up soon. March the 25th. It's going to be the last day to get your ticket, guys. Come on out. Let's have some fun. Meet some new friends. Take some pictures. And be positive and enjoy each other. Beef and broccoli. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to get notified. And check me out on Roku.